Monkey! Genji, who's that? Is this Mr. Monkey? Go get him! What happened? Do you like Mr. Monkey? Yawn. Do you want to go see Mr. Monkey? Okay, we'll go see him. Go and see who Mr. Monkey is. There, right? Mr. Monkey! Go get him! Oh no! Oh no! Mr. Monkey! And donut. Where's Mr. Monkey? Where's Mr. Monkey? Hey, let's try again. Hey? Mr. Monkey! You don't like Mr. Monkey, do you? Oh wait.